doing some much needed cleaning on the Transalp and some maintenance. As you can see, the output spline is still in good condition after 122,000 kilometers. And of course everything is filthy. Some chain cleaning as well. After the vacation I'm going to buy a new chain and new sprockets. The chain guard is done. As you can see here, really needed a new one, so that we're going to put on the bike. It's a well-used motorcycle, but everything is still doing good. $121,260 kilometers to be precise. Big difference. I know it's not the order I'm supposed to be doing it, but the front sprocket is really banged up. I had this one over from the Africa Twin project because I put a super pinion on there, and I bought an entire kit, so rear sprocket, chain and everything. The rear sprocket on the Transalp is not in the best condition, but is still okay enough. And I know that you're supposed to change all of it, your chain and every sprocket, but sometimes you have to work with what you have. Some copper grease on there, new front sprocket is on, and the top chain slider. If there's a little pinch, you have to put in the swing arm, and the front one, the top one, was also always coming out. So I use some liquid gasket. It's still flexible when it's hard, so hopefully it will stay in place now. That's enough chain slack. Yeah. Oh, all tight. .2 liters of oil after oil change. Ah, heck. Now it's good. Putting on the bash plate, of course with a little bit of Loctite. Bash plate is on. Chain is on, and cleaned everything, and the new chain slider. So let's go for a test ride. Yep, after some driving, no weird noises, everything works just fine, so that's good. Always nice to check if you've put everything back together in the right order. Of course, this wasn't that hard or that difficult to do, but it's always nice to check. So this is my daily driver, the Transalp. Maybe you saw some videos in the shorts already. And of course we're building Battle Beast, the Africa Twin, the XRV 650. Still, it's going to be a while when everything is finished. Still have to work 3 weeks this summer vacation. I'm going to be away 1 week with Transalp, probably make some videos there. And after that, after a month going to school, I will be going to Africa for 2 months to my research there. So the progress will be slowly, but we'll get there eventually. So if you're interested in that, follow for more. This is the video for this week.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go! All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. Yeah. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. You seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over, it's about time.